Okay, you guys, I'm back. So I was looking through my newsfeed just now, and apparently that blue gas light that I saw, I told y'all by my mailbox last night, it looks like this solar flare that just erupted off of the sun. I think Planet X used the actual blue to describe to show this X flare they call it. I didn't see the X in the vision, but I saw like a burst, and it was round, and it was a gassy blue. So I believe that's a fulfillment of that vision last night. Guys, I was talking about those solar flares, the sunspots actually, and I guess that may have come from one of those sunspots that I think the Lord was showing me a couple of days ago. I would have never thought that something like that would have happened. So apparently, I guess we might be seeing some like auroras, and it's just not good for our atmosphere. On top of storms, you guys. Speaking of storms, so I'll just leave the thumbnail. I took this thumbnail from Planet X, and I'll leave both the videos below. Apparently, when I went to my channel local weather station or local news station, and it might have been in the last thumbnail I just used, that tropical storm Katia has developed in the Gulf, you guys. This is not good. We need to keep an eye on this because Irma is coming through to Florida, and this tropical depression, I don't know where it's going, but it's right there. God forbid the two systems like touch each other, or even if they don't, for it to start going back up into Texas. You guys, I'm 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 concerned about the whole area of Texas as a whole, but my focus has always, not always, but for the last week or so, been thinking about this nuclear plant that they lied and said it wasn't flooded. I'm gonna be home preparing for Omar Irma. You know what I thought about before I move on to the next thing in this video? You know, I think it was on the news where they were showing airplanes going into the storm to pick up data. And it reminded me of a video of this guy who he had developed some type of thing for storms to stop storms. And our government has more technology than we know of. And what he had developed, and I think he was trying to get it patented, or had already been patented, or he was testing it out or something. This is over a year and a half ago, you guys. I seen this video. And it's like the diaper. You know how your diaper absorbs the wetness? That's what it was. It's like these gel like things that he was talking about, putting them in the storm, dropping them in the storm, and it would absorb the moisture basically and lessen the intensity of the storms. And if he could think about it, surely our government could. They can stop some of these storms, you guys. They can if they can create them, they can stop them. You guys, I'm just really sick of our government. I'm sick of them. I'm going to prepare. Thank God, God is God, and it has warned. You guys, just take heed and prepare ourselves, especially us that live on the southeast coast. In Florida, we got to pray for them in the islands. So one more thing, this guy posted a video. I didn't see it till this morning, but he had this big orangey reddish thing that looks like a sun with these clouds going over it. It really reminded me of my dream. What was it, night before last? He called it a harvest moon or a pink moon. I don't know what this thing is, but it's big as the sun. And it really reminded me of my dream, you guys, because when I was looking through the camera, it was all clustered and, with little spaces in between and kind of dark in between because it was just clusters of these little orange thingies, gumdrops. But when I looked through the camera, when I looked up in the sky, it was clusters. And when I looked at the camera, it was this big orange thing. This thing was, the way his video looks is as big as I saw it in my dream. He called it a pink moon. You guys, I don't know what this thing is. It don't look like no moon. So I'll leave the video below. But long story short, I did look up. We're going to have a harvest moon in October 5th. And I know somebody mentioned in the comments the harvest moon is also called a blood moon. I don't remember reading that the harvest moon is going to be a blood moon on October 5th. But I believe that's when the Feast of Booths also is. Because I had a dream about the Feast of Booths. And I just remember it. I think it starts on October 5th this year. I don't think that's a coincidence that we're going to have a harvest moon at the beginning of, or at the start of, the Feast of Ingathering Booths, Sukkot. You guys, this is interesting. Only God can do that. I'll leave the video below. I'll come back. I don't put my phone on charge. I just wanted to put the vision out there and put the warning about Katia. I haven't seen anything on the news yet. Like I said, I found that on my local news Facebook page. And I guess I'm going to keep an eye on this solar storm, this solar CME or flare, and see what's to come of it. Because the Lord showed me it last night. And that was just confirmation of this gas blue light that I saw by my mailbox. Instead of using the picture by my mailbox, which I discovered had a pink marker thing, because I saw the vision over it, but I didn't see the pink marker flag thingy last night in the dark. You would think I would have, because it's like a neon pink. And the vision took place over there. I don't even, I just went to my mailbox and didn't even see what that little pink, I guess it marks a line, maybe electrical, I don't know. It's pink though. So I'll be back. I don't think that was a coincidence. I'm gonna put my phone on charge. I'll leave all 3 videos below. You guys check out this big sun thingy. Okay, you guys? I don't know what it is. He said it's the moon. Very well could be. I don't know. The thing is huge. All right.